Urwa, may Allah be pleased with him, would say to Hazrat Khadija raziyallahu ta'ala anha, O Aman Jan, I am not astonished by your lineage, because I can say that you are the wife of Prophet Mohammad S.A.W., who was the most knowledgeable among all people. I am not amazed by your poetry and your knowledge of genealogy, because I can affirm that you are the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. What surprises me is your expertise in the field of medicine. How did you acquire this knowledge? From where and how did you learn it? She then explained, in the last days of Prophet's life, when he was unwell, delegations from various Arab tribes used to visit him. They would bring different things, and I used to diagnose and treat the Prophet's ailments based on their offerings. That's how I gained this knowledge. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23288.